Welcome everybody, this is Cynthia Sampson and you're watching Mine Arab News channel. So today's latest horrifying and shocking news which I have brought today, that is from Jordan. But before I start the news, I request those people who are weak-hearted kindly ignore this news because this news is very disturbing. So now let me start the news. A 16-year-old boy's hands were chopped off and his eyes were gouged out. This horrifying incident took place on Tuesday in the Zarqa city of Jordan, which is located 25 kilometers away from the capital of Jordan, that is Amman. So also let me tell you what exactly happened on Tuesday, that this 16-year-old boy was on his way to buy some breads and he was followed by 10 men. They kidnapped him and took him at a notorious place. He tried to run away but unable to rescue, and again he was taken to a notorious place, in fact an abandoned house at an isolated place where his hands were chopped off and his eyes were gouged out using the sharp tool. Also let me tell you, when this physical torture was going on, these culprits, in fact one of the culprits made the film out of this and they posted on social media, which went very viral, and this created a lot of anger among the citizens of Jordan, and the authorities of Jordan took the measures and the initiative to immediately stop the circulation of such disturbing viral video. Also let me tell you that his chopped hands were wrapped in plastic bags by the culprits and was sent to the mother of the victim. Now what was the reason of such physical torture? So according to the eyewitness who told at the local newspaper that the reason behind this incident was that of revenge, because it was believed that one of the suspect's uncle was murdered by the victim's father. Now talking about the initiative took by the king of Jordan, that is King Abdullah II, as soon as he came to know about this incident. So he took he stressed to take the legal action against these 10 culprits and they were arrested. Also on the other hand, for the sake of the victim, he told that the best measures or the best treatment should be given to the 16-year-old boy in order to save his life. Now what happened, that he was immediately shifted to or admitted to Zarqa Government Hospital. So now the director of Zarqa Government Hospital told that despite tolerating so much of physical torture, now the victim is out of danger, his health is in stable condition. Also let me tell you that on the other side, after knowing about this incident, the social activists, they have demanded the strict punishment on these 10 culprits who have given so much of torture to this 16-year-old teenage boy. But the penal code, what they have decided, it was told to the media by the lawyer that if in case this victim is not showing any permanent disfigurement and loss of senses and the amputation or the loss of the limb, so the punishment on these 10 culprits will be, that is hard labor punishment, that is imprisonment not exceeding 10 years. But still, the social activists are not satisfied by the decisions given by the government. So now they have decided, or in fact they have demanded, that more strict action should be taken against these 10 culprits for causing so much of physical torture on the 16-year-old boy. So this was Cynthia Sampson. Keep watching Mine Arab News channel. Like this, we will be coming up with some more interesting Hindi and English news on this Arab channel. Thank you so much for watching.